Hi there. Today we are going to plant a small garden bed in a balcony. This garden bed is 2 feet wide by 6 feet long and 21 inches deep and is facing towards the west. We are going to plant some lettuce, broccoli, scallions, and we are going to plant this following the square foot method. Once the soil is all prepared, we are going to start planting. As I mentioned, we are going to use the square foot gardening approach. So I use my seating square as a template. Just press it down. We have our grid ready to plant. We are going to start planting broccoli. Broccoli plants get very tall and therefore we put at the back of the garden bed. So let's plant. According to the square foot gardening, we put one broccoli per square. We make a pocket in the middle of the square. Now, okay, two broccolis. We have planted two broccolis. The next is to plant vegetables that grow very well next to the broccoli. Therefore, we should look into the companion planting. According to the companion planting, scallions grow well next to the broccoli. So, in these two squares, we're going to plant scallions. We're going to plant 16 scallions in a square. So, that will be a pattern of 4 columns by 4 rows. So, I usually start by the corners and then I fill in the middle to make sure that the scallions are planted at the right distance. Okay, 16 scallions in a square. So the next step is to push them into the soil at least twice their diameter. So usually it's till my big knuckle. So I just put in there. That's it. The last step is to rubber and cover where they are planted. In this area, we're going to plant lettuce. And usually we plant 5 lettuce in a square. So we plant 5 lettuce in each square. Okay, remove your lettuce from the packet. And we try to plant at the same level. So no deeper, don't put too deep your seedlings. In this square, we have 10 lettuce. So far, we have planted broccoli, scallions, lettuce. In this section of our garden bed, we're going to plant beets, either for eating the roots or eating the leaves. Beets, in this case, we are going to put 9 beets in a square. Having the seeding square makes it easier because we follow on the yellow circles, and that allows to have the right distance between plants. So let's plant beets. Pour some seeds in your hand, and we are going to plant 2 seeds in each yellow spot. So 1, 2. Seeds go back to the packet. As you can see, all the seeds are in a pattern. The next step is to push them into the ground, no deeper than your fingernail. And there it goes. We have planted beets. In this square, we are going to plant arugula. Arugula goes 16 arugulas in a square. So it happens that arugula seeds are very small. So what we're going to do is the following. We're going to take a pinch and drop in each spot. Usually comes between 4 and 5 seeds. Seeds that we don't use go back to the seed box. Let's take a look. Okay, as you can see, the seeds are over there. Let's cover the seeds. Let's push down a bit. Remember, 2 times the diameter, not too deep. And there we go.